Marissa spelled my name right, guys. Look. Whoa. Yes.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Thank you so much. Wow. Okay, everyone come here to Salt and Love.
Yay.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay, no joke. I just got to Malaysia, by the way. What's up, guys? First time through Kuala Lumpur, and I was craving Korean wings this whole day, and this food truck place, which is amazing, has them. Oh. Yes. Malaysia videos up maybe in a couple weeks.
Okay.
All right.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Alright guys, we made it. First night in Malaysia, and we googled where to eat, and we found this urban food truck park, and it's where we wanted to eat. So if you're here for the first night, it may be a good option. And here they are, just like yeah, it may be a good option if you're like us. They got burritos, they got Korean wings, they got everything you can think of. So cheers, enjoy this little food porn here. This burrito is actually delicious. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Eating bomb-ass Korean chicken wings in the shadow of the Twin Towers here in KL. Check this out. Back on the G7X, if you can notice, this ain't no iPhone filming at night. Oh, look at that. Dude, these Korean wings, fire. These are some of the best. Highly recommend. Get Marissa's Korean wings. Those are the best I've ever had. I was literally thinking today on the plane, I want some Korean wings. I don't know why. Living that life, baby. Spring rolls, not bad. Got some Vietnamese spring rolls. Ooh. Oh. Can't go wrong with that right there. Goes to Vietnam. Vietnam, we love you. We always will love you a long time. Eating good in the neighborhood. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Okay. So I'm going into this knowing nothing about what this food is, other than there's cornflakes sitting right there, and these guys are hella funny, so we're gonna see what they have. Yo, you're on YouTube, man. Say hello to YouTube. So what can I have? Something comes with cornflakes? Do you just have cornflakes and milk or what? What is that? Oh, okay. I got some. Okay. Okay, you're choosing your own noodle here. She just helped me. Thank you. Choose your carbs, choose your veggies, choose your protein, and then choose your special sauce. Okay, okay. I don't know why you have cornflakes here. Why you can I have some cornflakes?
Cornflakes.
Why is there cornflakes here? Can I have this? How much?
How much?
How much for this?
How much?
How much for corn? They just have this thing of cornflakes up here. I don't know, man. I can't get cornflakes in my shit. Maybe I can. It's rice and noodles.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to ask, what's the deal with the cornflakes, and no one knows the answer. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Pakai ni. Okay.
So special with cornflakes?
So,
I can have some cornflakes special?
no.
Oh.
No, ni.
Then why do you have this sitting here?
Bos, ni.
Why do you have this? I got the wide noodles here, and he's firing that up back there. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, careful.
That's how you walk it up, baby.
Okay.
Yes. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, my God. Talk about walkathon over here. We're gonna take the tub of ingredients and dump it in.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Gotta stand back when you're filming this. Okay. Walk chef. Let's go. I love how they put that in. They got the little funnel going. Yes. Nice. Oh yeah. I got my food. Still no idea what the cornflakes are for, but their marketing tactic worked. They got me over here to film it, and here's what I got. You know what? That looks like some good stir-fried noodles right there. Some good stir-fried wok noodles or wide noodles with mushrooms and tom yum sauce. So thank you. These guys are funny. Okay.
Buttered chicken tandoori.
Park's got a tandoori here. We're capping it off. We got some Malaysian pad thai right here. That's what I'm gonna call that. We got a lot of music buds over there. Yeah. Right in the thick of it, guys. They have hookah going? Oh, they even have hookah going over there. Now that is what you call food truck vibes. Looks like they're closing down here. Parker just said we just need some buds and then we could eat all night like the Amsterdam videos. We're not in Amsterdam, guys, but if you haven't seen that video, go watch that. We're gonna cap it off here. It looks like they close around 12 midnight, so if you guys get into KL late like us, I'm sure someone will at some point. And you need some good grubs, check out this. Ooh, look, they got shrimp in here. They got the shrimp and the wide noodles. Go support my family, Marissa and the other guys. And so, signing off here. Oh.
This one is called Temple Pizza.
Don't sleep on it. Malaysia is starting off to be pretty good food porn wise. This is chicken and prawns. Lots more food coming.